corsetry, is it dangerous? When you get your corset, we give you a set of rules that you need to follow. For starters, you don't need to tight lace when you're waist training. You don't need to tight lace. Listen to your body. If you do a 2-inch reduction, it is still better than, tightening up your corset and, becoming uncomfortable. Because if you cannot, the best way for you to get results from your waist training effort is if you can wear it consistently. And how do you wear it consistently if you are uncomfortable? If you are uncomfortable in your waist trainer, you can't leave it on for as long as is required for you to see the results that you want. So oftentimes, a lot of people are in a hurry. People are in a hurry to see results. They are in a hurry to see the change. So they push their bodies to the limits. No, it's a gradual process. It will happen. It's something that will happen. But you have to give your body time. Give your body time to adjust. When you buy your corset from our store, we give you a seasoning schedule. So that schedule is basically a way, apart from, easing you into waist training and all that, it's a way of allowing you to start slow and showing you that even with the schedule that is there, even when you're not wearing it with maybe 6-inch reduction and with the number of hours that you're doing, you will still get your results. So after the seasoning schedule that we give you, you can now decide on your own, oh, I want to be wearing it for 10 hours at this reduction. But often we advise that limit it to 2-inch reduction. With 2-inch reduction, you will still get, even with 0.5-inch reduction, you will still get your results. So don't be in a hurry. Take it slow. The change that comes with waist training is a gradual one, and it's best achieved gradually. Don't push your body. When you have your corset on and you're uncomfortable, probably because it's too tight, please release it. It is not punishment. You are doing something to make your body better. So why do you have to punish yourself in the process? It does not make sense. If you put on your corset and you cannot wait to take it off, then there's something wrong. Is either the corset is wrongly fitted or you have laced it too tight. So all you need to do is just to release it. Release it and let your body adjust gradually. There are days that women, maybe during our period, feel extra bloated, and if you could do like 3 to 4-inch reduction before your period, at those times, because you are bloated, you might not be able to do as much reduction. It's fine. It's okay. It's the normal. It's part of the normal course of life. You understand? So don't push yourself too hard. It's something that waist training is meant to be enjoyed. Like, I love my waist trainers so much that I can wear them all day. I can wear them. I'm comfortable. If I'm not comfortable, I can't leave them on for that long. You have to be comfortable in it. You have to buy the ones that you are comfortable in. If you have to save over a period of time to get your corset, it's worth it, because it's what you want. You're doing it for yourself, and ultimately when you see the results, you'll be happy with yourself. There's a kind of inner glow that comes with doing what you want and achieving it. So please don't compromise quality for quantity, especially when it comes to things like this.